Y'all know what day it is. Today is Thursday. That means it's Snap-on Thursday. Kevin's here. Let's see what he got. You guys, come on.
Pressing and locking themselves out of the thing.
That's how you do it so they won't lock themselves out, man. Just cover the button up with some fancy Snap-on stuff.
I still got people trying to push that. I was like, man, I gotta meet them at the door. Oh man, this is crazy.
Did you tell them they don't need to lock themselves in? Or lock themselves out, rather?
Well, I bent down the other day doing a jacket or something in the back, maybe a Christmas present or something, and when I bent over, I locked the door up here. Dude's like, what, you got me locked in? I said, yeah, you can't leave until you buy something. He didn't like that.
Well,
been doing all right?
A cool breast cancer shirt on.
Yeah.
That's pretty snazzy looking. Yeah, I knows that.
Did the greens yesterday with the green Dixon, the zombie Dixon. It's a little cold if you didn't realize.
Dude, I know. I got my heavy coat on today, bogging tooth. Them people up north will laugh at us, but it ain't too funny when you're down here sucking this cold air in.
Well, my sister, they've already got over a foot of snow. So,
ooh, where they at?
Wilmot.
Oh, I need to keep all that over there. I don't need no snow. What you kind of this?
That's like the Traxxas raffle.
Oh, so what you gotta do to get in this?
That's $150 purchase.
$150 purchase.
But now that is sitting on the the rock crawling frame.
Oh yeah.
So there's been a lot of interest in that.
That's cool. Look at this little, what's it, like a little Lego set.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen you.
Lord, what a part number. That's cool. Yeah, there's all kind of balls hanging up everywhere in here.
Oh yeah. Well, you know most tool trucks do a bust my balls.
Oh yeah.
So this is Snap-on's version with our set. Yeah, those. That's been something that everybody's really liked. I don't know if you can get it without the glare.
What are they, drive line sockets?
Extended shallow swivel sockets.
Okay, those are nice.
I had a few guys that had been looking for them, and then we finally started. And of course, you got your bump relay master set.
That's nice right there.
Yes, very much so.
That's really cool. Very nice. Y'all got all kind of stuff on here.
I try.
Oh, that's cool too.
Yeah, doing a power of 40 on the knife set. Buy a knife and get your name on the list. And that's you remember Simon?
Yeah.
That's what that is. That's a Snap-on Simon game.
Oh, cool. So you mash the different colors and it does the...
Well, it'll tell you what colors, like yellow, red, green, blue, and then you got to repeat it. Yeah, that's the top box.
A lot of cool stuff on here today.
Yeah.
Oh, the ratchet handle barbecue set. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That's pretty freaking sweet too, right there.
Yeah.
I like that better than the other one.
I had a few of those left from a previous.
That's really cool right there.
That's the 10mm socket light grill cleaner.
That's pretty snazzy.
Yeah, I like it.
Man, you got this thing full in here.
Yes. Got the
I figured you'd have been sold
jackets.
out of these.
A few of them, yes. I've had to pick up some extra sizes for some folks.
Those are really good looking coats right there.
I got them from medium all the way to 2X.
Y'all check this out. This is a Dixon work shirt. That's really, that right there is sharp. I like that. Got it on the back too.
Man, gotta look right below you though. Probably one of the coolest things that one thing that I've sold just about everything else. But that is a Snap-on train set.
That's cool. And a big pair of...
Yeah, the big set of pliers. I had a bunch of those on the truck. That's the one. It's always that last one that sort of lingers for a little bit.
I figured you ought to sold that. That thing's cool. I always wanted one of them big old screwdrivers to hang on my wall, you know, them great big giant ones.
They are expensive.
Dang, these are cool too.
Yeah, those just came in. I think I got them yesterday, day before, because I sold 2 or 3 of them yesterday.
Yeah, those are neat.
And then of course,
that's the kind of stuff I get excited about right there. Oh, that's cool too.
yeah, magnetic flexes.
I'm proud them light boys just went back to work. We had a little while we didn't have a new light.
Yeah, they sent me a few different ones.
That's cool.
I like it all right. This one is super bright though.
Ooh, I like the way that one's made, that little light bar.
Yeah.
What's the runtime in lumens on that one?
3 hours on high, 8 hours on low, I think, if I remember correctly.
Man, that is freaking sweet right there.
Yeah, that's a good
Oh
one.
man, that's nice.
No lack of light,
Is
that's
it
for sure.
dimmable?
Yes.
Or is it one all you?
Yeah, it's dimmable. It was going that way.
Oh, I guess you have to hold it. There we go.
Makes
Holy cow! That joker is awesome right there, buddy. God, that's a badass light.
Yeah.
Was it USB-C charging?
Yes.
Man, that's as good as it comes right here, buddy.
I don't know. I'm particular on the ones that I like the batteries where you don't have any downtime. You can just sort of
I do
swap
too,
out.
but I like the way that right there is made.
And that one, hook and magnet
Yup.
and pivots.
Ooh. Can't get the best of both worlds with that one. I do like that light right there a lot.
Yeah. And then I don't know if we saw each other last time. Did we see? Yeah.
Yeah,
think
yeah,
we
that
did,
was
yeah.
really cool. The little,
Yeah. That one's got the hanger, 3 different light settings, and the probe.
yeah, that's a sharp light.
Then I did get in some more of those. These I like. They're pretty bright for what they are if I ever find the turn on switch. I just like it's almost like a flood.
Mm-hmm.
Just one big LED all the way across there.
Yep. That's nice.
Yeah, not from
I
back.
am a fan of that light right there, by far. What do y'all like in a light? I like to have that wide dispersion patterns. What I like a lot.
I like anything that doesn't leave me a line.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't like the line.
It's always seems like that line's gonna fall right where you need to work to.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got some DVOMs and some multimeters. I guess
Now
they're
these are
all-
not the Bluetooth ones, right?
Dude,
Yeah.
Bluetooth ones sold the first day I had it on the
Yeah,
truck.
those Bluetooth ones I like them, man, a lot. These little jokers right here is fantastic too. Look at that. Man, you always got some cool tools on there.
I don't have a choice. I've got to.
That's what you
I
do
got
for a
the
living. eh?
18-pound magnet. I thought I had 2 of them. No, I had to put one back for a guy. And then 5-pound magnets in several different colors.
Oh yeah.
I know a lot of guys are wanting the 18-pound magnet in several different colors, but that has not happened just yet.
Yeah.
I would imagine it's in the future.
Oh, I guarantee you, they ain't gonna short nothing on colors. They done figured out that works too good.
Probably the best palm sander you'll ever run across, where you don't shake for the rest of the day when you
Well,
get
I
done
hope I
using
don't
it.
have to run one now. Man,
Oh, you'd run that one all day.
I don't want to run none of them no time, Kevin. I don't like paint work, man. It's too. You got to be too careful and pay attention too much. That ain't me right
I
there.
used to like prepping.
You know what I like about painting? When it's done. That's what I like about paint work. I don't like nothing about it. I don't even like the way it smells.
Yeah, you
I
gotta have
admire
good
them guys that can
circulation.
do it though, man. The way they can sit there with that patience and
Make it look good.
yeah, that's crazy. Well, they can cut them panels out and put them back in. You never tell it, you know, and then all that body filler. It's just an art.
Yeah, I've
you
seen
got to
dude
know what you're
cut
doing.
cars in half and then put them back together.
Crazy.
And then just watching the process every time I stop past the shop, it's just one step farther.
It's pretty neat to watch how they do that. What I really like is like going up there to Jeremy's shop, you know, because he builds custom cars.
Yeah.
So he'll like fabricate a whole dash. And it'll just be like little bits and pieces of metal laying everywhere.
Yeah.
The next time you go to, he's got it all tacked up and put together, and like it's a Art Deco style 60s dash. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just
Oh,
nuts
really?
the way he can do
Nice.
it, man. It's crazy. Super talented dude. What is this? A sharpener.
There.
This is some fancy schmancy stuff here. See, I'm used to
Oh,
a
that
regular
one-
rock.
That one is supposed to be, I guess the best way to put it is idiot proof. If you don't know how to sharpen a knife,
Yeah.
that one is supposed to allow anybody to be able to sharpen a knife.
I just wonder if you can get them as sharp with them. I ain't never used that like that. I just got a regular
I have
old
not personally
wet
used
rock.
that one. Yeah,
So.
I used a wet rock for a long time.
Yeah.
The one that I got from my dealer is just a strip, and it's got the angle on it.
Oh yeah, I've seen
I do
those,
like that
yeah.
one. That one,
Have you seen the ones that you roll? They call them like tumblers.
Yeah, it's like a big setup.
It's crazy how that thing
was the
works.
other thing that guy was showing me, and I was like, man, I don't have room for that on my truck, much less think. And there was a huge price difference between them also.
Is the red ones the only ones you got?
Yes. Yes, I am trying to run out of my Streamlights. I think I'm gonna maybe go to different route. Streamlights are extremely expensive, especially the wedge. The wedge is extremely. I like it, 1,000 lumen on the burst, but it's not very comfortable holding in your mouth.
No. I like these here, like the regular stylus for using your mouth. Of course, I like the rechargeable ones better, but I love that Streamlight, the way it works in your pocket. It's easy to carry, it fits good, and it works good.
I like the small one with the hat clip on it.
Oh yeah.
I wish you could get just that clip. I got a lot of guys that ask me if I can just get that hat clip, which I haven't seen a part number for me to be able to order it. I'm sure there is probably a way to get a hold of it.
Well, I bought a brand new stylus USB Pro, and the first time I used it, lost a damn clip off of it. So now I'm sitting here with it rattling around in the bottom of my pocket getting turned on.
I thought I had one over here.
What I can't believe you ain't sold those extra long ratchets.
Man, I have sold a bunch of them. They just keep on sending them.
Well, that's the way to do it. Can't sell them if you ain't got them, I guess.
Yeah. So I got them in several. I think the only one that's not up there is the gunmetal.
Oh yeah. Those right there would fly off here, man. Them things
they have
really cool. What?
Just really powerful.
That's always a plus. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. I'm sure next week you'll have a ton of new stuff again, like always. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with us today. Like always, hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. It don't cost you anything. Just click that button. Check over for merchandise, cool tools, and discounts down here. If you're not subscribed, take your finger, click that button. You guys have a great week. See ya.